Welcome everyone. Today we will be covering how to debug with O3DE engine and the existing Lua editor. We'll start by configuring the necessary gems, which are called remote tools connection. Next, you build your project. Once it is done, open your project and activate any kind of Lua script that you have available. If you do not have one, take a look at our procedural generation, which is the one that we are showing in the background of this image. Open the Lua Editor, available on O3DE engine, and the window will pop up. Set the target to the editor, leave the context as default, and notice that the debugging is now on. These are all the necessary things to set the Lua Editor working. Notice that now on the left you have also available the Lua libraries or classes, besides the eBus and globals. Let's now test if everything is working. Set a breakpoint near a line of code that you know it will trigger or your execution will pass through it. Then go back to O3DE engine editor and just run your project. Notice that Lua editor will now pop up and it will stop on your breakpoint. This is proof that it is working and you have configured your gem and your editor properly. Notice that you also have the expected features like step into, step out, step over, toggle, breakpoint, continue, run on target, and run in editor. The performance will obviously depend on your machine. In my case, I do not have a high-end device, so it's not the best performance ever. Regarding documentation, this is what you can expect from their official website, and it will explain everything that you need and maybe some other things. So it is worth keeping an eye on their documentation too, in case they add more things to it. That's it for today. See you in the next video.